Welcome to Addere Creations Journey Rewind, celebrating 6 years of innovation and excellence in 3D printing, product designing, 3D scanning, and other engineering services. From humble beginnings, we embarked on a remarkable journey. We started with a vision, fueled by passion and dedication. Through the years, we have grown and evolved, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Our team of talented professionals has been at the forefront of innovation, bringing ideas to life. We take pride in the trust our clients have placed in us. Their success stories are a testament to the quality and excellence we strive for in every project we undertake. But our journey is not just about projects, it's about the people. Our dedicated team, united by a common goal, has been the backbone of our success. Today, as we celebrate our 6th anniversary, we reflect on our accomplishments. We have emerged as a leader in the industry, driving innovation and delivering exceptional results. None of this would have been possible without the support of our amazing clients, partners, and our loyal audience. We want to express our deepest gratitude for your trust, encouragement, and continuous support. As we look ahead, we are excited about the endless possibilities that lie before us. We remain committed to pushing boundaries, delivering excellence, and exceeding expectations. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Together, let's continue to innovate, create, and shape a brighter future. Addere Creations, where ideas take form.